The food is very different to what I know of Chinese food. The Chinese food that you get here is not the Chinese food I've eaten before.
All Xinjiang cuisine, I like it. Food culture in Xinjiang is very amazing. The tasting between, it's like similar to our country also. Especially with the tasting and the spicy. And it's delicious and I recommend it. After my visit, I would like to invite all the people around the world, not only to Peking or to Shanghai. You have to visit Xinjiang.
또 다 맛있었던 것 같고요. 양꼬치가 제일 맛있었던 것 같아요. 사람들한테 좋은 것 같아요.
I'm very glad for Chinese cuisine and I'm able to eat so much.
People that welcomed us to their house yesterday with the cookies and food and the tea. It was wonderful. I mean, I love it.
I find connections between the foods here in this space with the foods that people in Kazakhstan.
Handheld muttons, 手抓羊肉, which is incredible. I think most people enjoyed it tremendously. Love it. And we knew the names before. We tried some other version of it in the other part of the country, but now I really have native, truly local version of it. That's the true taste of the food, which is much better than the was we had before.
You cannot come to Xinjiang, particularly Kashi, without having to try the lamb. So the lamb is the most and the best meal for me. It has left a very good impression of this food for me because the boiled lamb and as well as the skewer grilled lamb has been very good. For food cuisine, foodie, influencer who wants to talk about food, come to Xinjiang, try it. It's different.
They presented different delicious foods. I think this such a good gesture is very unique, and their hospitality and the different dishes they presented, they deserve maximum appreciation.
There's so many ethnic groups and there are so many ethnic languages and the food variety is quite different. What I felt was that the food was very palatable and it was quite tasty, and I found it a little more similar to our cooking culture, the way we cook our food at home.
There are, many delightful dishes. Definitely I would think to come back as a tourist to enjoy more Xinjiang in general, but this place, Kashi in particular.
Food is very nice, the music is nice, the costumes are even nicer. I think it was a very good trip, very good experience overall.